I made it out that jungle, yeah, Memphis, Tennessee. These niggas wanna be like they just my mini-me's. Still pouring up they drink with them people. These niggas hating on these, I just let.
I'm gonna fuck them for up next year. Come on. Y'all go ahead and drop all that bullshit while y'all can now.
Yeah. Orange rich of me like call this bitch Ice Spice. Hey, I put money over bitches and I put that on my life. Yeah, all these diamonds on me hitting like a 12-round fight. And all my cousins still say Virgil, yeah, I'm talking off light. I talk about crack blocks on the block day and night. Want it to be like this, I can't wanna be like Mike. I'm sipping walk card, $500 in my Sprite. This big ass rock on my pinky look like a high beam light. Cutthroat plumbing team, yeah, we come through with pipe. My pockets got too fucking fat, I need to put it on ice. These niggas thinking that they fucking with this, like, yeah, right. This bitch told me she ain't met a nigga like me in her life. I know, yeah, you know I rip that 5, and these niggas 5-0. Yeah, these niggas police, they just wear designer clothes. My diamonds got a slow lead, guess I'm about in my flow. Hey, I'm a motherfucking beast when it come to getting this dough. Richard Mille, call this bitch Ice Spice. Hey, I put money over bitches and I put that on my life. I got a chopper big as me, I send you to Jesus Christ. My neck told my wrist that it ain't going out without a fight. I told my bro go spin, he tryna smoke some new